Hello, my name is Diane. Welcome to this session that discusses peak-focused email home energy reports, which are available in 24B in the Oracle Utilities Energy Efficiency Cloud Service. In this session, we will talk about this new feature and how it can impact your business. I will give an overview of peak-focused report experience, followed by more details about the modules to explain how you would use the features and the benefits they provide to your business. Then I'll walk you through a demonstration. Finally, I'll provide you with some additional resources. Home energy reports include several report types with different layouts and modules that vary throughout the year. The look and feel of some home energy report types can be influenced by the report audiences. The peak-focused report is the most advanced version of the home energy report yet available. It uses rate metadata, hourly disaggregation, and a new hourly normative comparison service based on smart meter data to produce new insights for customers. The peak-focused report informs customers about their electricity usage with a focus on peak cost periods under their time of use plan. The report includes a diverse set of modules designed to encourage customers to be aware of electricity costs and guides customers towards making energy-conscious behavior changes during high-cost periods of the day. There are two types of peak-focused version 3 home energy reports, Welcome and Progress. The Welcome version of the report is designed to introduce new or legacy customers who have not yet received a home energy report version 3 experience. It is the first report sent to new customers, and it is structured to facilitate positive behavior changes, equip customers with actionable tools and information, enhance overall customer satisfaction, and promote energy savings. The Progress version of the report includes insights designed to inform customers about their electricity usage with a focus on peak periods under the time of use plan. It encourages more energy-efficient behaviors and heightened awareness of electricity costs. The report is equipped with diverse modules designed to foster energy awareness and efficient consumption among customers, especially during peak cost periods. Let's take a look at the peak-focused report for email, both Welcome and Progress report versions. So here we have the email version of the peak-focused Welcome report. First, I'd like to mention the subject line, which is not pictured. The peak-focused report variations include static subject lines that are energy efficiency focused and primarily designed to introduce the home energy report experience to customers. For example, first name, last name, check out your new home energy report. Next, the header module appears at the top of the report. The module is composed of the utility logo, customer account number, and peak-focused introduction message. The introduction message includes an illustration that echoes the report theme with images of homes paired with time-based rate icons. The text is personalized with the customer's name and the name of the report and varies slightly depending on whether the customer is a new or legacy customer. The Welcome module introduces customers to their new report experience and tells them that the report provides insights about energy use so that they can save more on their bill and make the most of their time of use plan. It includes a list of 3 features and explains how the report will help them save energy and lower their bill. The listed highlights include energy use insights, personalized ways to save, and timely, tailored advice. The mini time of use reminder reminds the customer when their highest cost period or peak period occurs based on their time of use plan and what the cost multiplier will be during the peak periods. The module displays and supports a timeline of the different cost periods for electricity during a weekday. The peak-focused normative comparison module is next. It educates customers about their energy use relative to other homes. Total electricity usage values are included so the customer can have a better understanding of what their peak use is compared to their total use. Insights following the graph provide information about why the bar chart appears the way it does. The top insight displays either a percentage or a message telling the customer how much more or less the customers used compared to their efficient neighbors. The percentage color changes depending on whether the customer's usage is great or good or fair. The color of the insight changes based on the customer's usage to neighbors. The bottom insight provides additional detail and context to help interpret the bar chart, making clear the key points of this module. These will change based on the recipient's data conditions and utility configuration choices. Iconography sets can be configured to appear alongside the heading of the normative comparison so our clients can make it their own, or test and learn to see what works best with their customers. Each icon set has a state for fair, good, and great. The state of the icon set in the report matches the state of the normative comparison. Icon set options include no icons or off. This is the default setting that you see here. Comprehension-focused smiley icons. Environmental-focused leaf icons. And competitive-focused metal icons. The peak-focused energy literacy and tip educates customers about how they are using energy during the high-cost peak period and provides guidance on what they can do to make a difference in their energy consumption. The module includes a list of 2 or 3 appliance categories that were detected during the high-cost period and a tip related to one of the categories that the customer can use to help reduce their energy consumption. Customer feedback solicits feedback from customers on the usefulness of their email home energy report. It asks the customer how useful they found the report for the purpose of gathering faster, broader feedback that can be used to improve the report. Finally, the Utility Info module contains sections for utility contact information, legal disclaimers, and additional resources. Now let's take a look at the peak-focused progress report. First, we have the header, which we already covered in the welcome report. However, instead of the introduction module seen in the welcome version of the report, the progress report includes the mini TOU 101 module, similar to the time of use 101 in the welcome report, but in a simplified format. This module educates customers about their rate and offers educational insights into why saving energy during peak hours holds particular significance. The peak-focused normative comparison is the same as in the welcome report. You can see that this version of the peak-focused progress report includes the traditional percentage insight, indicating how much more or less energy the customer used than their neighbors, rather than the close the gap financial insight featured in the welcome version we saw earlier. The Time of Day Hourly Insights module provides customers with insights into their hourly electricity consumption and how their energy use compares to their nearest comparison group. The graph helps the customer identify key times for energy savings by highlighting their average use during weekdays with a focus on the high-cost peak hours. It also includes the nearest comparison group's average hourly usage for comparison, an insight that highlights in which high-cost period hour they are consuming the most energy, and a link where the customer can learn more about their time-of-day rate plan. Peak-focused energy literacy and tip was also covered in the welcome report. Customer feedback solicits feedback from customers on the usefulness of their email home energy report. It asks the customer how useful they found the report for the purpose of gathering faster, broader feedback that can be used to improve the report experience. Finally, utility information, as mentioned earlier, contains sections for utility contact information, legal disclaimers, and additional resources. That concludes the demonstration. For additional information about the peak-focused report for email functionality, see the Energy Efficiency Cloud Service documentation on Oracle Help Center, which is available at docs.oracle.com. This concludes the presentation. Thanks for watching.